Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Nissan Armada. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. You will need to access the infotainment system settings menu. We'll cover both Bluetooth pairing for hands-free communication and media playback, as well as the more advanced features offered by smartphone integration platforms. This process is straightforward and enhances your driving experience significantly. To begin Bluetooth pairing, first activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and ensure it is discoverable. Next, on your Nissan Armada's infotainment screen, go to the Settings menu, then select Connections or Bluetooth. Choose Add New Device and wait for your phone's name to appear. Once it does, select it and confirm the 6-digit pairing code that appears on both your phone and the vehicle's display. This establishes a secure wireless connection. For Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll typically use a USB cable. Plug your smartphone into the designated USB port in your Nissan Armada. Make sure that Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is enabled in your phone's settings. The vehicle's system should automatically detect your phone and prompt you to grant permissions. Once accepted, your phone's compatible apps and navigation will seamlessly integrate onto the Armada's large display screen, offering a familiar interface. If you encounter any issues, first try restarting both your smartphone and the Nissan Armada's infotainment system. For wired connections, always use a high-quality, certified USB cable to ensure reliable data transfer. Also, verify that your phone's operating system is up to date, as software updates often resolve connectivity problems. For model-specific details or persistent issues, refer to your Nissan Armada's owner's manual for comprehensive troubleshooting steps and additional guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.